start with 7th class science as activity sheet 26 a day 26. Let's understand universe, galaxies and stars. Reference standard 6 chapter 16 the universe. Learning outcomes: comparative study of star, planet, satellite, asteroid by observing them in the universe. Collect information about different concepts. Processes by using the internet and different ITC technology. Let's take a look. See the chapter of the universe. See the if you observe the clear sky on the dark night, you will see a smoky white band full of stars spreading north south in the sky. This is the Milky Way. It is known as Mandakini, a group of innumerable stars and their planetary system are together known as a galaxy. The Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system is located. The universe includes innumerable galaxies. The space between them is also energy. The Milky Way includes many stars smaller than our sun as well as many other that of thousands of the time bigger than the sun. It also includes many other celestial bodies such as cluster of stars, nebula, cloud of gases, cloud of dust, dead stars, born star, etc. Next, types of galaxy. There are the 4 types of the galaxy, various identified according to their shape. The galaxy of the shape is divided. The first is a spiral, next is elliptical, third is a barred spiral, and fourth is a irregular galaxy is the shape. Next, stars. A birthplace of stars are the Hugh Nebula, the thousands of twinkling stars that we observe in the clear night sky are part of our Milky Way. Stars radiating different colors such as blue, white, yellow and reddish can be seen in the sky. Generally, the surface temperature of star range from 3500 degrees Celsius to 50,000. Types of stars: sun-like star, red giant, supernova, binary or twin stars, variable stars. The color of stars change according to their temperature. First, sun-like star. This star can be slightly smaller or bigger than the sun. These sun-like stars. Stars like Sirius, Alpha Centauri. Next, red giant. The temperature of this star range between 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius, but their luminance can be 100 times that of the sun. Their diameter of 10 to 1000 times than to of the sun, and they are red in color. They are red giant. Next, third, supernova. These are even brighter and larger than the red giant stars. Their temperature is between 3000 degrees Celsius to 4000 degrees Celsius, but their diameter can be more than 100 times greater than that of the sun. Is a very bigger of the supernova. Next, 4, binary or twin stars. More than half of stars in the sky are binary stars. They consist of 2 stars that revolve around each other. At times, 3 or 4 stars that revolve around each other have been located. Fifth, variable stars. The luminance and shape of this star is not stable. Of the variable stars, they are constantly contracting or expanding. When a star expands, it emits less energy, and At such time its brightness decreases. As against this, when a star contracts, its surface temperature increases and the star emits energy and appear brighter. For example, Poris as a pole star is a complete the explanation, and let's practice it. See the all answer. Let's practice. First question: in which galaxy our solar system is located? The Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system is located. Next, write the four types of galaxies. There is the types of galaxy: first spiral, second elliptical, third barred spiral, fourth irregular. In a types of four of galaxies. As the next one, third question: observe the stars and planets in the clear sky on a dark night. Note down the various stars you have seen in the sky in your copy. See, some of the stars that we see are bright, whereas others are fainter. Stars are radiating different colors such as blue, white, yellow, and reddish can be seen in the sky. We also see stars with varying brightness. As the next question, fourth, draw a picture of the clear sky on the dark night. Is a seen a picture of the sky in a night. Fourth, next up, fifth, observe the pole star located in the north direction in a night to locate only, not to answer. Sixth, listen to stories of stars and planets from your grandfather and grandmother. And next, seventh question, read book about star and planet. Only read book, does not do answer of the question 5, 6 and 7. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, comment and like.